Hello, welcome back for your phonics lesson. Let me see how happy you are to do your phonics lesson since coming back. Let me see your smiles. I'm going to show you mine. Ready? Okay, everybody smile on the count of three. 1, 2, 3. That's how happy I am that we're doing our next phonics lesson, guys. And we're going to take it back to chart 11. We're just going to review really quick our chart 11. And guys, look out for on your playlist. I'm going to make a playlist of the charts, the recent charts 10, 11, 12, and 13. I'm going to put on a separate playlist so that you can review those charts anytime you'd like, and just something for you to have and go over. So keep a lookout for a playlist for maybe under bonus, and it's going to be just the charts that we're going to redo. But let's go and go back to chart 11 here, okay? And shovel O. And banana A. And city C. And city C. And faucet A-U. And saw A-W. And leaf E-A. And thread E-A. A and steak E-A. You're doing it with me. E and brownie I-E. E and key E-Y. A and obey E-Y. F and phone P-H. Cut and chorus C-H. And thought O-U-G-H-T. And caught A-U-G-H-T. Jut and giant G. Dudge and fudge D-G-E. Good job. That was just really quick. Now, we are going to focus on one of our chart 13. Chart 13, that was just a little review there, but we're going to focus today on war and warm. War and warm, W-A-R. Let me hear you. War and warm, W-A-R. Okay, let's look right here. I wrote some words out. Let's go ahead and do these before we get to our worksheet. We have, let's mark everything. War and warm, W-A-R. Ing and pointing, I-N-G. What is this word? Let's read it. Warning. Warning. Good. Next one. War and warm, W-A-R. Dur and drum, D-R. Straight stick, silent. Wardrobe. Wardrobe. Do you know what a wardrobe is? A wardrobe is all of your clothes in your closet. Sometimes, way back when, your closet was called your wardrobe. It wasn't called a closet, it was called your wardrobe. But it's the clothes that you keep inside your closet. Wardrobe. Okay, let's do the next word. And adopt, A. War and warm, W-A-R. Award. Good job. Okay, guys, so we are going to get ready to take out our page 139 right here. We're going to do the front only. So go ahead and get out. What are you getting out? Your paper, your pencil. Don't forget your listening ears. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and share my screen with you. So if you don't have those, go ahead and pause your video and come back when you're ready and we can do this together. So let me go ahead and share my screen. There we go, it's coming up. So glad that we're able to do our phonics together. Let's be patient, and there we are. Okay, so go ahead and write your name at the top. Write it nice and neat, please. Okay, let's look at the directions. The directions say, circle the words with what special sounds are those? Ought and caught, A-U-G-H-T. And what? Ought and thought, O-U-G-H-T. Okay, so circle the words just with those special sounds. So if you don't see ought and caught, A-U-G-H-T, or ought and thought, are you gonna circle it? No, we're not gonna circle it. So let's go ahead and get ready. Let's do it. The first one is done for us. And all those three words, I see O-U-G-H-T. The next one, this one right here. Here's O-U-G-H-T. What is that? Ought and caught, O-U-G-H-T. The next one, ought and caught, O-U-G-H-T. And that is ought, brought. Next one, ought and caught, O-U-G-H-T. So we have ought, thought. The ones beneath. Ought and caught, A-U-G-H-T. Caught. Next one. Ought and caught, A-U-G-H-T. What is that word? Daughter. Daughter. Next one. Ought and caught, A-U-G-H-T. Haughty. Haughty. And next one. Ought and caught, A-U-G-H-T. Taught. Okay, number 2, let's read the directions. Underline the root word, circle the suffix. Okay, so the first one is done for us. So what's the root word? Park, and the suffix is d. Parked, or parked, and looked, t, or ed, excuse me. And looked, ed. So we have ed says and looked, and played, and ed and wanted, right? Those three sounds ed can make. So let's underline the root word and circle the suffix. So the one next to it, we have the root word quick and ly, quickly. Okay, this one is gonna be tricky because this root word right here, before we add the ing, that root word had an e at the end. But what do we have to do when we put the suffix on it if a root word ends with an e? Right, we drop the e and add an I. So that word is drive, ing. Slow, beeped, beeped. Stop. Oh, look what we did. That's a short vowel in that word. So what do we have to do with a short vowel before adding the suffix? Right, we add we double the final consonant before adding the suffix. So we have stop, ing, stopping. Okay, now we're moving on to number 3. Let's read the words and write them under their leaders. So these are their leaders, N and enjoy, E-N. Look it, and I know that's not N and sharpen. I know that's N and sharpen. Do you know why that's not N and sharpen? Because that has a dash following it, which means it's a prefix. Remember, the prefix comes before a word. So the leader for the next one is un. That's un, and unbutton, un, another prefix. And we know that because it has a dash following the prefix. And the other leader is and wrinkle, wr. So we're going to look at all the words in the box, and we're going to read them and then rewrite the word under their leader. Okay. So the first word is wrench. Well, and that goes and wrinkle, wr. So we're going to write wrench. Okay, wrench. So we did that one. Next one, entwine. Well, that begins with N and enjoy, E-N. Okay, and twine. Unheard. That begins with un and a button, U-N. Unheard. Okay, next one. Unhook. And that begins with un and a button. Unhook. Wrinkle. Well, that's easy. That goes in Irwin, wrinkle, W-R. Wrinkle. And the last word is what? Enlist. Enlist, which begins with N and enjoy, E-N. Enlist. There we go. Okay, great job. Let me stop sharing my screen. Okay, and I'm back with you also. We're gonna save the back for tomorrow. We're gonna save the back of our paper for tomorrow, so just wait till tomorrow and we'll put the lesson up, but we can get ready for our math lesson, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.